Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For anyone new, hello, my name is Alexis. I am a board certified dermatologist and I get tagged an awful lot over on TikTok. So in this video, we're going to go through the best of the best skincare hacks on TikTok. Now, my friends, the great majority of the hacks over on TikTok are downright dangerous and they don't work. But occasionally there's some really great gems in there, so that's what we're going to see in this video today. Without further ado, let's watch the first one.
Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know. They're gonna know. How would they know?
So I love this one because it really highlights a very common condition called apocrine bromohydrosis. This is basically body odor that develops on the skin. Now, when our sweat actually comes out of our sweat gland or our apocrine gland, it's not smelly at all. It's actually the bacteria that's on the skin that produces and creates that malodor. So using things like benzoyl peroxide that help to decrease the bacteria help to decrease the sweat. You actually would put it on like in the shower, leave it for 30 seconds to a minute, and then wash it off, and you will notice a big decrease in body odor. So, amazing hack that you now have. You probably already had benzoyl peroxide for acne. Now you can use it for body odor. All right, let's see what skincare hack we have next.
Do you get canker sores? They suck, right? I'm gonna show you a trick my husband taught me yesterday. Whole cloves, just watch. Take 2 cloves and rub them together. You can also grind them up a little bit more with the bottom of a cup. Put it on your finger, put it on the canker sore. It numbs the area instantly, it doesn't burn at all. I highly recommend it.
So clove oil has actually been scientifically proven to decrease the pain and discomfort that can happen with canker sores or aphthous ulcers. Also, you can use honey if you don't have any cloves. So a really quick fix that you can use, something in your kitchen to help a little canker sore in the mouth. All right, let's check out the next skincare hack. So I love this one because it actually works, guys. So vinegar and Listerine have really powerful antimicrobial, antifungal properties. So if you're dealing with foot fungus or if you have a nail fungus, using these vinegar soaks with Listerine can really knock it out. I recommend to do a 15 to 20 minute soak. I'll throw the ratios of the different ingredients up on the screen. Use lukewarm water and thank me later. All right, continuing along the trend of feet skincare hacks, let's see what's next. Yay for golden girls. Cute. Yes, so for dry feet, guys, a really quick, cheap, and effective hack is to actually soak your feet, then coat it in Vaseline, put on a wet sock and then a dry sock and go to sleep. You will wake up in the morning with baby soft feet. If you really want to kick it up a notch, instead of using just the Vaseline, you could put on that eucerin rough leaf cream first, then your Vaseline, your wet sock, and your dry sock, go to sleep and thank me in the morning. This next one is a beauty hack that I had to share with you guys. Let's look at it.
Okay, I'm going to show you this eyelash hack that will literally change your life. So I never curl my eyelashes before I put mascara on, and I've never seen anyone do this, but in middle school I would do this all the time. Literally everyone would compliment my eyelashes. So all you need is an eyelash curler, this is an e.l.f. one, and Vaseline. So just curl your eyelashes like normal. You're going to put Vaseline on your finger and just put it on the eyelashes while it's still in the curler. Like this. Okay, and then just hold it here for a few seconds and then take it off. And look, in the morning they will literally look like this and mascara will be so easy to put on. It looks like I got an eyelash perm.
So I had to show you guys this one because I actually used to do this in middle school when my mom wouldn't let me wear makeup, and it works. It works actually really well. Vaseline around the eyes is perfectly safe. If you are prone to like comedones, so those little bumps that come around the eyes, you may want to avoid this hack, but for the rest of us, it's actually really good if you run out of mascara or you just don't feel like wearing makeup that day. There are so many Vaseline hacks. I actually could have made this entire video with them, but this next one I wanted to show you just because we can capitalize on a few things.
In high school, my AP biology teacher told me, and everyone else in the class obviously, that there is just no better moisturizer on the market in the world than just some good old Vaseline. He was like, oh, well, how much does everybody pay for moisturizer here? And everyone was like, $20, like $10, a couple $100. And he was like, okay, well, you're all idiots because it doesn't matter what you use. This is the main ingredient. This is it. So just lather your face up like this little slug that you are. Go to bed and you'll be moisturized. And that's it. All right? That is it.
So she's right. And this has been around for years. Way before slugging was a thing, dermatologists have been recommending this since the beginning of time. Really great moisturizer. It's actually an occlusive. Not ideal for those with acne-prone skin, but amazing for those with eczema, children with eczema, or if you're just looking for something good to put around your nose, like a nail cuticle moisturizer. It's a really good one to use. Cheap, effective, and you can use it in your house for so many things. So I had to share that one with you too. This one we're going to share has gone viral on every platform. Let's watch it.
If you have acne with white pus and want it gone overnight, this is my best kept secret. It's only $3 at Walmart and it will last you throughout the entire month and even more. These are the Band-Aid Hydro Seal All-Purpose Dual Action Seal Hydrocolloid Gel Bandages. I think about 5 years ago I was searching online for alternatives for expensive acne patches, and one day I came across a blog that said that these work perfectly. So I tried it out and it worked. It comes in 10 one-size bandages that you can cut up into acne patches of your fitting. You can literally customize it to any acne size, which I think is amazing and such a good steal. Apply it on dry skin overnight and see the magic happen in the morning.
Super effective, guys. Hydrocolloid patches basically act as a moisture magnet. So it dries out all of that extra pus and moisture that are inside of the acne to basically dry them out in a safe, effective way. But it also provides a protective barrier. Protection from the bacteria spreading to the surrounding skin, protection from the sun hitting that area so it doesn't get dark or post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, protection from your fingers picking it. So highly recommend. This hack is perfectly safe to do. Now, know that it doesn't have any salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide or licorice root that some of the others have, but at this price and the fact that they're still effective, excellent hack that I had to share with you guys. Let's see what's next.
Right, guys, I'm showing you a hack you can use with tea bags. Right, so you see the bags on my eyes. 1 minute, I'll blur the filter off 1 sec. Oh, there are my spots. Right, so you see my bags under my eyes, they are awful. Right, I'm putting this filter back up for the time being. You're going to get a tea bag and put hot water on it, right? And then you're going to put it on your eye. I'm going to show you the difference that it's actually going to do. So, give me a sec. And put this on my eyeball. You're going to think, what the hell is she doing? She's a freak, or why is she doing this? It gets rid of the bags on your eyes, so just leave it there for 5 minutes. You don't need all this
10 minutes is even better.
Like, the tea bag's got all the healthiest stuff in that you can use instead of all this silicone stuff. So anyway, you're going to leave it here for 5 minutes and I'll show you the result at the end. I will take the filter off. I'm sorry I have to use it because my skin is a mess. And take it off. Ooh. And it's gone. Cucumber also works as well. You're welcome.
So really like this one because it brings up 2 points. So you can use tea bags that are in your kitchen for antioxidants, but you can also use them for their great potent depuffing ability. So the caffeine that's found in the tea bags help to constrict the blood vessels, so that helps to decrease the puffiness. And if you have dark circles from puffiness, this one is a quick change like in this video. But if you also use green tea, you get the benefits of the antioxidants. You guys know I'm all about antioxidants. So even that small, short amount of contact can help decrease any type of environmental stressors that we know can wreak havoc on the skin. So I love the fact that she's using green tea, but you can also use black tea if you're really just looking for that vasoconstriction that happens from the caffeine. I hope that you found some value in these hacks, guys. I know I enjoyed watching them and being tagged in them. Please keep tagging me. I love to see your hacks and I love sharing them with you guys. Until next time, be well.